Welcome to a brighter future at the brand new Plasman Omniluxe factory here in Gothenburg, Sweden. This is where we produce the chrome look-alike material with an advanced technology called physical vapor deposition. The technology offers a wide variety of gloss and colors, but does not have the environmental disadvantages of the traditional plating industry.
We are now in the clean room environment, where filtered and humidity-controlled air guarantees that no particles from outside the production enclosure can contaminate the process. At this station, we prepare the goods for the production line, and we load the racks which carry the parts in the automated process. Curing under strictly controlled process parameters is important to secure that the polymers are prepared for metallization, which takes place in the vacuum chamber. Absolute control of temperature and humidity is the foundation of the high-quality finish of the parts. In the vacuum chamber, we pump out the air, so no oxygen or other gases can affect the thermal evaporation of the donor material. The metal, after being vaporized, will land on the substrate in a very controlled manner and will build the layers in a highly uniform way. After the deposition of the metal, the robot sprays the heavy-duty top coat that will give the final finish of the parts. By optimizing the properties of the top coat, we can offer alternatives for the visual appearance. After the final curing, we inspect the high-quality outcome of the process. The production plant is currently running in series production, and we're supplying parts to various premium OEMs. The Plasman Omniluxe technology offers great design freedom and new styling possibilities when you want a premium-looking surface finish. Last but not least, Omniluxe reduces the environmental impact to a fraction of traditional processes. Welcome to a brighter future.